In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your garage door opener. This video will cover the Genie model G1T-BX. This is it here. All you'll need to get this done, all you'll need to have to get this done is a single CR2032 replacement battery, and a flathead screwdriver is optional. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, feel free to check out the link in the description, which will take you right over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for a great price. Now, you can actually get all of this done using the clip on the back. So if you want to start by pulling that out, you can see this opening here on the front. You can insert the clip in and twist to open it up, or use a flathead, which is what I will do. You can see you just give it a twist, it will start to open up. You can pull this off and the battery is right under there. Now just slide the battery out, dispose of your old battery, make sure your new battery is a CR2032, and make sure the positive side is facing up when you slide it into place. That's all it takes. You can now just position this right on top and click it back together. If you used your clip, you can now just slide that back in there. And that's all it takes. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.